Yo, what is going on, guys? If you're searching for Uber Eats promo codes in 2026, then look no further than this video. I'm going to be showing you the best Uber Eats discount codes that you can use right now. And I call it a discount code, but this is actually a credit code. So this is going to give you $100 into your Uber Eats account, and it takes just a few minutes. And yeah, before I show you it, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm always creating updated codes. But yeah, I've been searching for ages on Google. I tried a bunch of the codes on the voucher code websites and stuff, and most of them don't even work or they're expired. So you need to basically do this to get a $100 Uber Eats promo code, and this works worldwide. So it doesn't matter if you don't use US dollars. This will just be in your local currency. So go to www, do this on your mobile internet, crashcoupons.com. So let's go ahead and type it in correctly, guys. Crash Coupons, and then let's go. And basically it's going to bring you to a website. Now they mostly have game codes, but I did actually discover they had a Uber Eats credit code. So click on the Uber Eats, so you can use the search bar to navigate to this page. And there is one verified code, and this code, as I mentioned, is a $100 account credit code. So this is literally a Uber Eats promo code that you can redeem in your app, and it is going to give you $100 credit. So as you can see, so yeah, this literally takes about 5 to 10 minutes to get your personal Uber Eats code. So once you get your code, make sure you keep it safe, use it for yourself, and it is going to add $100 into your account. Now, obviously, these are limited codes, and it stops people taking more than one. So you can only do this once. So you need to unlock your Uber Eats promo code. So to do that, you've got to click on this button and simply follow the instructions on this screen here. It is really easy. I did this earlier. It took me about 5 to 10 minutes. You just need to complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your Crash Coupons code. So to get your Uber Eats promo code, you just got to complete 2 tasks on this page. They're all completely free, as you can see. And yeah, these are basically things like installing mobile apps and playing games and answering survey questions. As you can see in the red text, it says follow the instructions below each app. So yeah, that text tells you what to do to complete each one. So I'm going to skip forward. I don't want to waste the code for this video, but if you complete 2 of those tasks, your Uber Eats promo code will be displayed in this box, and you simply redeem it in your app or in the website once you're logged in, and it is going to supply $100 account credit to your account. So that is it, guys. Go to Crash Coupons and search for the Uber Eats promo codes page. If you have any questions or need any assistance getting your code, let me know. Make sure you like and subscribe not to miss my future videos, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Enjoy. Peace.